What is the true measure of popular? Beyond wealth and followers. In today's digital age, the notion of popularity has been drastically redefined. No longer is it solely determined by wealth or the number of followers one has amassed. Instead, the true measure of popular lies in authenticity, happiness, and a deep connection with what is genuinely significant to each individual. As we navigate this new landscape, we must ask ourselves, what does it truly mean to be popular? How can we accurately measure and track this elusive concept? The essence of popularity, money, followers, or authenticity. In the realm of social media, popularity is often quantified by the number of likes, shares, and followers. Celebrities and influencers with millions of followers are seen as paragons of popularity. However, is this really the true measure of one's influence and impact? What if the real metric of popularity is not in the superficial numbers, but in the depth of one's happiness and authenticity? What if being popular is about staying true to oneself and resonating with others on a genuine level? The quest for authentic popular is consensus. To truly understand what is popular, we must delve deeper into the metrics that define our society. Traditional metrics fail to capture the essence of human connection and authenticity. They do not account for the emotional and psychological aspects that make someone truly popular. This is where the concept of popular consensus comes in. By analyzing data that reflects genuine human behavior and sentiment, we can uncover the true nature of popularity. But how do we measure and track this popular consensus? Data stakeholding is a right for all. In a truly sentient society, data stakeholding should be a right for everyone who uses the internet daily. Our online behavior generates vast amounts of data, which is often controlled by a few powerful entities. This data holds the answers to many of our societal questions, from understanding our collective stance on racism and misogyny, to exploring our attitudes towards gender identities and diversity. Why should this valuable information be monopolized by a few corporations? It is our data, generated by our actions and interactions. We, the people, should have the right to access and benefit from it. Data stakeholding empowers individuals by giving them control over their data and allowing them to use it to gain insights into who we are as a society. Popology revolutionizes an internet broadcasting network powered by the people. Enter Popology, a groundbreaking internet broadcasting network powered and curated by the people. Popology is not just another social media platform. It is a movement that seeks to democratize data and give power back to the users. With Popology, you can seamlessly curate content into a single cohesive timeline and media player known as a popcast for audience viewing and rewards. Be the host of your own long-form curated media streams we call a popcast. Popology's unique approach allows users to combine videos from numerous platforms, integrating user-placed advertisers' video ads known as a popmercial into a high-quality single-narrative internet broadcast. This model reduces costs per view compared to major platforms, making it an attractive option for both content creators and advertisers. But Popology goes beyond just content curation. It empowers users to become stakeholders of their data, benefiting from its sale and gaining valuable insights into popular consensus. By leveraging blockchain technology, Popology ensures transparency, security, and decentralized broadcasting, allowing creators to maintain control over their content. Uncovering social truths with Popology. With Popology, we have the tools to uncover the social truths that have eluded us for so long. Are we truly a racist society? Are men more misogynistic or philogynistic by majority? How do we really feel about gender identities and diversity? By analyzing our collective online behavior, Popology provides answers to these pressing questions, fostering a more inclusive and informed society. Popology is not just about measuring popularity, it is about redefining it. It is about creating a fairer, more transparent social media ecosystem that empowers influencers and users alike. It is about giving everyone a voice and ensuring that our data is used for the collective good. The founding partners of Popology care about you. For more information, visit www.popologynetworks.com or contact us at contact@popology.org. Let's take back our data and redefine what popular really means.